Thank you, Julie. Welcome, everyone. Kulang pa sa mga. Kung mamaya may kain po naman tayo. Pwede pa naman tayo mag-coffee later. But thank you for dropping by again. I don't know how to call you guys bloggers. Bloggers. Important people. Yun na lang. Yeah. Friends, thank you for coming. As I was sharing to some people outside, why did we do this? We're doing so well naman within our own community. Sabi ko, at the end of the day, it's to be able to reach out beyond our community. No? And see, one of the purposes why we do this is we want to help the teachers also. But more importantly, we want to also help impact our community through what we do best, which is music. Later, we'll tell you a little bit more of ourselves, but one of the things that sets us apart as a music company is kami mag-asawa, both are music graduates also. So we love music, we love what we're doing, not to boast, but we're good at what we're doing, but it's time also to be able to share what we're doing to so many other people also. So we'll share more about what we do, what our goals are, what our motives are, what our objectives are later. But for now, thank you and welcome to what we call the Kaiserberg Recital Hall. Thank you so much.